Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert sheets in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have your Excel opened right up. As you can see, our spreadsheet currently has two sheets in it, one for the survey sheet and the other for the months of the year sheet. Now, if we are wondering how to insert more sheets within our spreadsheet, all we have to do is click on this plus button on the bottom of the screen that says New Sheet when you hover over it. Click that, and a new sheet should appear that would be called Sheet 1. Now, you can easily rename this by double-clicking on it and highlighting the words and typing a new name, or if ever you want to duplicate a sheet, all you have to do is right-click an existing sheet, click on the Move or Copy, and press Move to End. And don't forget to check the Create a Copy checkbox. Once you click OK, a new sheet should appear as well. That looks exactly like our first sheet over here. Now, we can also rename this or insert it anywhere we want by dragging the sheet itself by holding our left mouse button and putting it on where this black arrow indicates. And there we have it. This is how we insert sheet in Microsoft Excel.